Good morning, 7th standard. Good morning. Yes. In our maths class, today we are going to see about the exercise 2.2, question number 1, 2, we completed multiplications of fractions. Question number 3, I kept it for homework. Question number 4, we completed on that day. Length of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is L into B. We stopped at that question. Now we are in the question number 5. Exercise 2.2, question number 5, word problem. I'm reading from page number 29. If you have textbook, go through that. Each serving of the sorbet is 3 by 10 of a liter. How many liters will be 2.5 servings be? 1 serving. Sorbet means actually it's a dessert. Okay, I have checked in Google about what is it before taking the problem. It's a dessert which is served in the cooling process with ice on it, I think so. By deep freeze method, when we serve the dessert, it is called as a sorbet. 1 serving of a sorbet is 3 by 10 of a liter. Okay, so 2.5 servings we need. 1 given, more asked. So it is multiplication. Just simple steps. Now, 1 serving. Like ice cream it is, okay? Or sorbet. 1 serving of a sorbet is 3 by 10. Fraction chapter, everything will be in fractions only. 3 by 10 of a liter. How many liters will be? 2.5 servings. Therefore, 2.5 servings will be. 1 given, more asked. 1 chalky, 5 rupees. 10 chalky, how much? 10 paisa. 50. In the same way, 2.5 servings will be 2.5 multiplied by 3 by 10. 1 given, more asked. Always it is simple multiplication. Very simple problem. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. We have to convert this. Then only should do the strikings. Now, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. 3 and 2 we cannot do. So, no need to do anything. 1 3s are 3 by 2 2s are 4. So, 3 by 4. So, 3/4 of a liter is the answer. So, 2.5 servings will be 3/4 of a liter. Understood? So, this is the way. 1 serving of a sorbet. Now, why are you asking about cycle test portion? As if tomorrow itself you are going to write the cycle test. I myself will say. I know when to say. Okay, understood? So, just go through what we teach every day properly. Homeworks when given, do in a notebook. Classwork, material go through, try to practice. When the test will be, before that we know to tell what is the portion. Now nothing. 1 serving of sorbet, 3 by 10. So 2.5 servings will be 1 given, more as it is multiplication. So just striking 3 by 4 of a liter is the answer. Question number 5 completed. Now question number 5 and 6 almost same. So 6th one is a homework sum. I have rounded and kept. Okay. So Siddhyashri, I will check and will tell ma. Question number 6. If you have sent properly, I would have got the link. Image, no? So 6th one, a basketball weighs 1 5 by 8 of a kg. How much will be 16 basketballs weigh? Same type of question. Weight of the 1 basketball is equal to 1 5 by 8. Therefore, 16 basketball weight. 1 given, more as the multiplication. So 16 multiplied by that mixed fraction, whatever it is, 1 5 by 8. That you have to do the cancellation and get the answer. That is the homework sum. We are not going to do now. That is question 6. Now passing on to question 7 now. Quietly listen properly the steps as well as the process of doing. Last 2 minutes to 3 minutes, you can type your doubts. I will clarify. Easy. Fraction step 3, very easy because already we had last year and all. So again, the same thing only. 2.2 easy, 2.3 also very easy. That's all, only 3 exercises. First exercise is about addition and subtraction of fractions. This exercise is about multiplication. Next exercise is about division of fraction and reciprocal. That's all. Only 3 exercises. So just concentrate what I say. Question number 7. Julie had rupees 460. She spent 3/4 of her money to buy a book. Okay. How much money is left with her? Very, very easy. Now, how much amount she had? 460 rupees she had. 3/4 of the money. Whenever we say 3/4 of something means, we mean that we are multiplying. Of means already I told, brackets of. During that bracket chapter also I told. Of means it is multiplication. So 3/4 of something, which means 3/4 of this number. Okay, we will get one amount. That amount is the amount what she has spent on book. Am I right? Yes. What she has spent on book. She has given to the shopkeeper. For this money, she bought the book. What is the balance? Total money. This total money minus this. When we do, we will get the balance. That is the question. Now we will write the steps for it. Julie had rupees 460. Money Julie had, or total money Julie had, is equal to rupees 460. Okay. Book, for that, money spent on buying book. Money spent on book, I will write, is equal to, how much means 3/4 of, then I will use this rupee symbol, 3/4 of 460. 3/4 of the total money. So is equal to, we will do that here. Okay. So 3/4 of the money that she had. Okay, 3/4 means 75% of the money she gave for the buying the book. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 0. Again 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 10, 5 2s are 10. Directly you can do by 4 table also. To make it easy, 2 table, again 2 table, 2 table, again 2 table. Now 3 is there, here 1 1, 5 is there. These 2 numbers are there. In the numerator, denominator 1 only. 5 3s are 15, 5, carried over 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4, 3 1s are 3. 345 rupees. What this much rupee is for buying the book she has spent. So money what she had was this much. Money spent on book, that is 3/4 of the total money, which we did by cancellation. We got this. Now money left. After this step, what is the thing? Money left. What she had. Naturally, when you buy something from your hand, it will go decrease. So 460 rupees minus rupees 345. You can write in this side also. Since I wanted to do, I wrote one below one. Okay. So 460 minus 345 you can write, and you can write the answer. 5, here 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 4, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. Rupees 115 is the balance amount, what she is having in hand. So money left, this much. Make your step simple. So money the Julie had, the girl had, is the total money. Money spent on the textbook is the amount what she has given to the shopkeeper for buying. They have given 3/4 of something, which means 3/4 of 460, the total money. So then 3/4 of something we after striking we got 345 rupees. So what is the balance? This total, what was in her purse? This minus this, we will get the answer. Simple it is. Understood? Now, question number 8 now, after completing 7, 8. I'll read the question. After that, I will erase this. After that, if you want, you write. Question number 8. Ria had rupees 400. She spent 2/5 of the money of it on a ride. Ride means some horse rides, whatever it is, it may be. And 3/8 of the remaining money on video game. Okay. How much money did she spend on video game? Directly, they have not given how much money for video game. So we have to find out that. First, what is the thing? The money with Ria, that girl was 400 rupees she had. Okay. She spent 2/5 of the money on a ride. So 2/5 of this 400. This went for a ride. One trip. Ride means one trip. So 2/5 of the money of this money, 2/5 of this total money went on ride. So this thing over. Next is, they are telling remaining money she spent on the video games. So remaining money on video games, from the total, this ride money, when we subtract, we will get the remaining money. This minus this ride money. When we do, we will get how much amount on that. For that, they have given 3/8 of the remaining money. So what we have to do, that money we have to do 3/8 of that money. When we do, we will get the money that she has spent on video game. Now while writing, steps clearly will understand. Instead of directly telling they have given 3/8 of the money, 2/8 of the money, like that it is. Money that Ria had. In this question, it is 400. Last question, 460. This is 400 now? Yes. Okay. Now, money spent on ride. It may be any ride. We don't know which ride. They didn't mention. Money spent on ride is 2/5 of the money on a ride. 2/5 of 400. This is 0. So is equal to 2/5 of the money 400. So money spent on ride. Total money what was with her, spent on ride 2/5 of this money. So let us find that and let us write here itself, so that I will get place to write the steps here. 1 5s are 5, 8 5s are 40, 0. 2 18s are 160. Since I wrote money, I will use this rupee symbol. This is the rupee symbol, otherwise use RS also. Anything can be used. I use both. RS I use while typing in computers. Now generally we'll use this 160 rupees. Now this is over. Now remaining money, balance money with what she had. Now this is over. Okay, she has spent. Now balance money, what she did the video game. She played the video game. So with the balance money, what is it? Devaguru, concentrate. Unnecessary, don't ask anything. Concentrate what I'm telling. So money what she has spent on ride over. So what we have to do, the balance money what is left, in that only she played video game. So first, what is the remaining money? That is our work. When I teach, don't ask some other thing. When we will be getting material, when is the cycle test? That and all later can discuss. Now quietly concentrate what I teach. 400 rupees minus 160 rupees. So when we do the thing, 240, 60 plus 40, 300, 200 plus 100, 300 plus 100, 400. 340 plus 60, 400. So 240 rupees is the balance money. In this money only, she is playing the video game. Therefore, money spent on, because they gave 3/8 of the money, like that they have given. Money spent on video game. Question to understand. 3/8 of the balance, this money, don't use this 400, full question will go wrong. Okay, use this amount. Now 3/8 of the balance money. What we will get, that will be, is the money that's spent on video game, the balance one. 4 table, directly 8, 1 8 3 8 and 0, 3 30 is 90. So 90 rupees, that's all, is the money. What means have a box. 90 rupees is the money they have spent on, the girl spent on video games. So money, the total money what was with her was 400 rupees. Then 2/5 of that 400 rupees she spent on ride. So 2/5 of, which means 2/5 of the multiplication symbol of the total amount. Then we will get the amount. Now the balance one, this minus this is what is with her in her purse. With that amount again she is buying ticket and playing the video game. So 3/8 of this number is given. 3/8 of the number. So 3/8 of the video games, the balance money is the money that is spent on video games. After cancellation, they are getting 90. So 8 sum over. That's all. This exercise over. Max work is not needed. This is brain work not needed. This is enough. This is the last sum of this exercise. Again, Varun spent, Raman spent, some brain work are there. That is all no need. What is there, that is enough for us. Then coming to the division of fractions. Divisions, directly I will enter into the exercise because it's very, very easy. Fractions, many times we have seen. So directly we can enter into the exercise. This clear? Only thing about division of fractions, what I wanted to tell is, for example, 7/8. This is the fraction. So when I say reciprocal, reciprocal means the reverse. Numerator will come to the denominator, denominator will go to the numerator. So the reciprocal of this number, we say the multiplicative inverse, like that also word we use for that. Normally we use reciprocal, 8/7. So the reciprocal of this number is this. Okay, we say multiplicative inverse also. So what do we do? Whenever the symbol is there for that division symbol, we should convert into, for example, like that one number, one fraction is there, divide, like this one whole number is there, for example. Now, yes, 7/8 divides 2, like this. We cannot strike the number directly. For that, what to do? First, 7/8 should copy as it is. In the exercise, I will explain each and every problem. This is simply time being, I'm telling you the process for that example. So divided by symbol, division symbol is there. What is this 2? Which means 2/1. Nothing in the denominator, that is 1 is there. Consider like that, 2/1. Now this one to change. When I change the symbol, the second number, the second fraction will become the reciprocal, 1/2. Because I am changing the sign. Division is becoming multiplication. The second number will become reverse. 2/1 will become 1/2. Then we have to do normal cancellation if possible. Here it is not possible. 7 1s are 7. 8 2s are 16. 7/16. Like that it is. If it is possible, here 8 is there, I will do the striking. So when it is there, we need to change it as a reciprocal and to This is the point alone that I want to tell before entering into the exercise. Exercise 2.3. Question number 1. A, B, C, D, C and D I am going to do. Where and all I leave A and B, that and all homework will be coming to you in the homework schedule. I have rounded and kept in textbook. I will give the some numbers, you need to do that. So 7 is equal to, and what is the D1 ma? Let me write that also, 5.5. Mix it. Okay. The reciprocal equal to dash dash. The question is, find the reciprocal of the following numbers. 7. What is the reciprocal of 7? 7 is what? 7 by 1. Nothing in the denominator, write 1. So what is the reverse? 1 by 7. This is the answer. Okay. Next. 5, 1 by 2. First we need to change it, the mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. What is this? 11 by 2. It is nothing but 11 by 2. Now, for 11 by 2, what is the reciprocal? 2 by 11. Yes, it's all very, very easy. So, just we need to mix it to change and then the reverse. Multiplicative inverse, or we say like reciprocal. This is question number 1, C and D. A, B will be coming to you. Question number 2. In a line, we will start the homework now. Starting from the first exercise, I have given the homework. Whenever schedule is there for you, that day you will get max homework. Don't ask today is there or tomorrow is there. According to the schedule, you will get 3 subjects. So which day that subject we have entered in that. So that you need to do. Textbooks you have already for the question. So question refer and do that in your notebook and keep it. Classwork material also should practice only. Same, similar, all models same. Evaluate the following expression. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. My God. 4 sums I have to do. 4 sums for you. Evaluate, but all simple, simple. Nothing to worry. 5 by 6. I like this chapter. Fractions, I like very much. 5 by 6. Divide 7. So, step number 1. First number I copied. Division symbol I copied. 7 I will write like 7 by 1. Nothing in the denominator. Write 1 as a denominator. That is step number 1. Step number 2, conversion. 5 by 6 to copy. Division becoming multiplication. And the second number will become the reciprocal, 1 by 7. So yes, if possible, do the striking. Not possible, do the multiplication. 5 ones are 5. 7 6 are 42. 5 by 42 is the answer. Because 5 is a prime number. It won't come in any table. Except its own table. So just we need to multiply 5 ones are and 6 ones are 42. Yes, for striking mixed fraction to convert. Yes, ma, like that only. Striking purpose, we need to convert. 5 by 42. This is question number 8. 2 steps questions only, all 2 marks only. That's what they have given, 8 sums. Now, after completing this exercise only, you will be getting the material. No need to ask. As I already told, full chapter I will send. Full fractions only I will be sending. Today 2 sums, tomorrow 2 sums if I send, confusion only will happen. That I won't do. Full together only will send. Exercise, what is that? 2.1 to 2.3. This full chapter. So just concentrate now. 6 divides 4 by 7. Question D, ma, this one. Okay, 4 questions I selected. In that, one of the question is. Step number 1, 6. Denominator, nothing is there, ma. So write 1. Second step, I will do the changing, the sign changing, and we'll do the reciprocal. 6 by 1 to copy. Division become multiplication. Same process. 4 by 7 reciprocal. 7 by 4. Okay. First step, second step. The second step itself should do the striking. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. When it is possible, compulsory to do the striking. You cannot say directly I will multiply and will write, man. If it is possible, you should do. 3 7s are, because that is called simplifying. 7 3s are 21. 2 1s are 2. 21 by 2. You can leave it just like that itself. Or if you want, you can write 10 2s are 20. Remainder 1, 10. Mixed fraction also allowed. This is also allowed. I will give full marks even if you write up to this step. This step, full marks. Otherwise, you can change and do write that. It's okay. Because normally, for improper, we change. But some children, they leave here. Full marks I used to give only. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 1 is to write with the denominator 1. 2 is to change. Then to do the striking. Getting done. Then let us do the G and H. $14 by 15. Divide 2 things. 5 4 by 9. What is it? 300. 3 1 by 2. Okay. So just normal simplification only. So G here, H here. Normal solving. For step number 1, first number I wrote. We have numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. So no one, nothing is needed. It is there already. So sign change directly we can do. Right? If nothing is there only, we have to write the denominator 1. It is there, it is there, it is there, it is there. So my work is to just change and make it as a reciprocal. Don't forget this. Some children used to sign change, they used to write 2 by 3 and used to cancel. No. When you change it, the second number becomes the reverse. Because sign changed here. That's the reason. So now to do that. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. 3 table. 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. 2 table. Next. 7 1s are 7, 5 1s are 5. 7 by 5. You can leave it like this, or you can write 1 5s are 5, remainder 2, 1 2 by 5. Mixed fraction you can write, or you can leave like this. Both are correct. So the answer is 7 by 5 or 1 2 by 5. Question is like this. Question is not in mixed fraction, means it is allowed always. Understood? Easy. Next, this one. First, our work is to change the mixed one and to write as improper. 9 5s are 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49 by 9. Divide. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. That is step number 1. I have converted this both mixed into improper. First number copy. Sign change. Second number reciprocal. 2 by 7. This is the last sum of today's class. Okay. 1 7s are 7, 7 7s are 49. 7 table. 2 1 9 we cannot do. 7 and 9 we cannot do. 7 2s are 14. 14 by 9 1s are 9. 14 by 9. Which is 1 9s are 9. Remainder 5. 10 11 12 13 14. 1 5 by 9. 1. Make it log. 1 5 by 9 mixed fraction. That is not 4 by 9, Aditya. 1 9 are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 only. I am only correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So mixed fraction to convert. Yes, sir. Class over, sir. Just a minute. In a mixed fraction to convert, sign change, second number as a reciprocal, the same tables of 7, we have cancelled, got the number, changed it into mixed. Yes. Write 2 answer in the exam. Yes, ma. Yes, Darshini. Even if you write here correct, that's also correct. Both writing very, very correct. That's all. For today's class, tomorrow we will start from the next. Third one. Evaluate the following expression. We will start at question 3. Thank you.